I did really good. I got it.
Hi, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Can I have your attention, please? Good morning.
Good morning.
My name is Mr. Fadrosh. I am your substitute teacher today. So today we're going to be talking about manufacturing and fabrication. I'm sure everybody's familiar with manufacturing and fabrication, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm assuming you guys all understand why it's so cool.
Yeah.
Great. Is there a local fabricator or manufacturer that we can talk about?
Electrospace fabricators.
Electrospace fabricators. So let me put that on the board.
Let me show you why it's so cool. Electrospace fabricators. Let's go!
Welcome to Electrospace. How are you doing today?
Good.
Oh, we've been excited for you all to get here.
So we.
Yeah, so I'm Bill Strasha.
I'm
the
Maven.
president of the company.
I'm Kathy.
Hello.
I'm Sonora.
Hello, Snora.
Carly.
Carly, it's great to meet you. Well, everyone is really excited to meet you, so why don't we go?
What's so cool about manufacturing?
We have made so many different things over the years. Some of the best parts are we made parts for the internet. We have parts that went to NASA and is currently on the moon. We have made parts for the Army after the Afghanistan war. So we have done so many different things, and everything is so different.
What's sheet metal fabrication?
Well, sheet metal fabrication is taking all kinds of metals, aluminum, steel, stainless steel, and making all kinds of enclosures and boxes to hold electronic equipment. So this actually holds a battery, and this goes on a military vehicle,
Whoa.
like a Humvee.
Oh, that's why it's so cool.